Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of fumbling for your keys every time you get home? Introducing the Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Door Lock, the game-changing solution to your front door woes. With this genius device, you can say goodbye to lost keys and hello to a world of convenience and security. Thousands of customers have already made the switch and love it, making it a well-reviewed and popular choice among homeowners. The Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Door Lock offers 6 ways to access your home, including fingerprint recognition, custom passcodes, and Wi-Fi management, giving you the freedom to choose what works best for you. The rapid fingerprint recognition feature is incredibly fast, unlocking your door in just a fraction of a second, and you can store up to 100 different fingerprints for easy access. The device also features a built-in USB-C port for easy recharging, ensuring your lock stays powered and secure. Imagine being able to grant access to guests or service providers with a simple one-time or scheduled code, and then having that code automatically expire when you choose, giving you complete control over who enters your home. With the Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Door Lock, you can rest assured that your home is secure, and you'll never have to worry about getting locked out again. The lock's LED lights provide a clear visual indication of the lock status, giving you peace of mind and a sense of security. Whether you're a busy professional or a parent on the go, this smart lock is the perfect solution for anyone looking to upgrade their home's security and convenience. So why settle for an old-fashioned key-based lock when you can have the latest in smart technology? The Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Door Lock is the perfect choice for anyone looking to make their life easier and more secure. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself, you won't regret it. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.